Hello, thank you for joining me. It's always a pleasure. I'm down here in Roda, Oscars. I've done that bloodslid video. I've been walking for miles. I've just done Cavalry, Sfakera and Agis Pantaleon. It's where the English like to go and live when they come out here. Personally, I spent 2 happy years in Cavalry. In fact, Vangeli, the president, is on the camera at the moment. You'll find him in Oscars as well, which is the best place around. Anyway, enjoy the video. If you think of moving out here, avoid those 2 villages. There's too many Brits in there already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Thank you. This is the village of Sfakera, loaded with expats. Second favourite village for expats to live, just up from Roda. One bar, no shops. Never been up these steps before. Never been pitted enough to make it. Fort Knox here, gotta be foreigners. Mind you, if I lived in a village like this, I'd have bars on my gates. Sorry, bars and gates. And that's the village bar, just the one, no shops. It's very busy with expats at night. Nice old house renovation. Can renovate that easily. Basically, that's the village of Sfakera. Pretty little village, quiet. Plenty of little side streets to explore, if that's what you like. I'm not going to walk all the way down there. I'm too old. Yeah. There are still properties for sale here. God knows what prices though. This would make a nice bungalow. I used to buy these sort of places and renovate them 30 years ago. At 82, I'm too old to do it now. I don't know what this place is.
Cheers.